Welcome to this brief tutorial where we will explore the Search Alert feature on the new EBSCO user interfaces. Please note these instructions are applicable for all EBSCO new user interfaces, including EBSCOhost, EBSCO Discovery Service, and Explora. Before you begin creating your Search Alert, visit the MyEBSCO at the top right of the screen. From here, ensure you are either signed into a MyEBSCO account, or if you do not have one, you can sign up from here. To create your search alert, enter in your keywords and run the search. From the result list up next to the sort order, click on the three-dot Search Actions menu and click Create Alert. Here you can edit some fields such as the alert name. You can also provide an optional description, set your frequency for when you would like your alert emails to be received, and review your alert creation and run notifications. You can also check your email address details here too. When you are happy with your settings, click on Create Alert to create your search alert. Your search alerts can be managed using My Dashboard and the Alerts tab. Click into Search Alerts, and here you can view your alert details, including the date created, the frequency, and any filters you have applied in your search strategy. Over to the right-hand side, you'll see three dots. This is the Tools menu. From here, you can edit your search alert, such as editing the alert name, the description, the frequency, and if you wish to extend or renew your alert, you can do so here. You can also adjust your alert run notifications and review your email address details. Ensure you click Save Changes if you have made any adjustments. From the Tools menu, you can also rerun your search by clicking View All Results. You can then view articles from your search strategy in your search alert directly within the EBSCOhost interface. And you may also delete your search alert by clicking on the Delete option. Thank you for watching this tutorial.